Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any vehicle having a GDI engine. It could be any GDI gasoline engine that has been used in Hyundai or Kia, and you have engine misfire. We will explain the top 10 reasons that can cause engine misfire. Stay with us and we'll explain very detailed information, what can cause that, how to approach the problem and how to fix it. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, what I will recommend guys, this is a GDI engine, specifically a 2.4, but even if you have a different GDI engine, the procedure will be about the same. I will recommend, number one thing, check if your engine light is on. If your engine light is on, use a scanner. Okay, with the scanner you can scan the system and see, okay, what code you have. This scanner guys, many of you ask me to share information about it. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features. It works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai and Kia is right here. You will check for codes. Once you see what the code is, you can start analyzing the misfire. Now, some codes could be really complicated and I'm going to talk about that in a second. Let's say you have a misfire for cylinder number 3, it will be something such as code P0303. So, things that can cause misfire guys, okay, we start with number one thing, spark plugs. Spark plugs that are old, high mileage, the gap is not correct, or they're the wrong type of spark plug for your car can cause misfires. Those GDI engines are pretty picky because they work at high compression, higher temperature as well, so if the spark plugs are not made for that engine or the gap is not correct, that can easily cause that, or you have just a burned spark plug. Number two guys, it could be bad ignition coil. Bad ignition coil can actually cause misfire as well because it will not ignite the spark plug. Now, that could indicate code such as 353 for cylinder number 3 as well. The last digit of the code corresponds to the cylinder number. Number 3 guys, okay, number 3, it could be, okay, bad fuel injector. That's the fuel injection system here. Bad fuel injector can cause misfires as well, because the fuel injector, if it's not spraying, okay, it will not get fuel in that cylinder and that will result into getting, okay, getting a misfire because that cylinder will not be working practically. Number 4, it could be if you have water in your fuel system. That water often gets trapped in the fuel injectors, okay, and that can cause misfire. So that usually happens winter time, or if you had condensation, you haven't driven the car for a while, that could happen. Number 5, okay, it could be problems guys, problems with something that most people don't suspect. If you have a bad valve cover gasket, it will let engine oil drip in the spark plug hose. So check the spark plug hose for engine oil, or sometimes even when you wash your engine, water will go around the ignition coil, will get in the spark plug hole. That will mess the communication and that can cause misfire as well. So make sure that there is no obstruction. Now let's go to number 6 guys. Number 6. Let me get the fuel pump, see where I left the fuel pump. Now, high pressure fuel pump that is weak guys, okay, or not being able to supply enough fuel can cause that one as well. So high pressure fuel pump can cause misfires as well. Number 7, it could be dirty fuel filter. The fuel filter on most GDI engines, will have a video where it's located. If the fuel filter is not clean, it will not allow fuel to come to the engine, especially at higher RPMs or when you need more fuel. That can cause misfires as well. Number 9, check guys, the low pressure fuel pump that's located in the fuel tank as well. Fuel pump that's acting up can cause that misfire too. And since we're in the fuel system, you need to check the fuel rail pressure sensor, make sure it's working correctly. Check the fuel rail pressure, make sure it's at specs. Number 10 guys, okay, it could be vacuum leak. Okay, vacuum leak, it could be guys any extra air the engine is getting but it doesn't know about that air. It's called vacuum leak. We have a special video about the top vacuum leaks on GDI engine. And let's keep going. Number 11 guys, okay, it could be actually low compression, broken piston rings, worn engine can cause misfires as well. Quite a few things, and in some cases, okay, we had it wasn't a GDI, it was another engine, but the engine computer was burned for one of the cylinders only. I think the coil the resistor for the coil was burned inside, and as a result, because of the engine computer, that cylinder did not work. So I'll recommend to check spark plugs, ignition coils, fuel delivery, check compression, make sure it's good, okay, and from there just start checking the fuel rail pressure to make sure that it's good, check for vacuum leaks, and check for codes to see if they can lead you in the right direction. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.